Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are Group 10, here to present some basic interests and process of feedback. I am Mr. Baba Sehgal, CEO of company XYZ, and the scenario is that today morning I lost my mother. She is sleeping there. Because her soul will never die, that you can see further.
क्या यार, बॉस की मदर एक्सपायर हो गई।
हाँ यार, मदर की उम्र क्या थी अभी?
अरे नहीं 60-70 की तो होंगी ही। और वैसे भी बॉस ध्यान कहाँ रखते थे माता जी का?
ठीक है यार, ध्यान तो रखते थे बॉस। पूरा दिन तो ऑफिस में बिजी रहते थे, वहाँ तो मरनी थी।
और क्या?
Well, Mr. Sehgal, I really feel sorry for you. Yeah, you should have taken better care of your mother, I think so. You should have hired a nurse for her. Well, I feel you were a bit complacent about her. Anyways, if you need any further help, you can have my number. My number is 9. Mr. Sehgal, my number is 9.
देखा? कभी फीडबैक नहीं लेता था। बचपन से मैं इसे इतना फीडबैक देता था। क्या आदत बना ली है देखा इसने। But one thing we all must be remembering that feedback should be attentively listened to. Whenever somebody is coming to give you some feedback, you should be attentively listening to it.
I feel you have never given sufficient time to your family members. Even 2 years back, when your mother was not well, you were busy attending business trips. So how can you say that you have taken care of your family? How I have not taken care of my family? See, my responsibility is not only to take care of my family, it is the responsibility to feed them. I am the only earner for the bread and butter for them. Even if I am working, if I am away from the home, if I am working late night, it's not their family. Then what about the last week when she was admitted to the hospital? You didn't even go there when she was admitted. Oh, I mean, listen. You know, you were there. How many projects were going on? I hope you're trying. And you know, every project, if I was one product company would have caused million of the results. How you think that I should have taken care of my family?
Again, you all must all be feeling that my son is too defensive. But the fact is that, look at the way the feedback was given. It was very evaluative. The feedback has got to be positive to get positive responses. And one more thing, look at the relevance of the feedback. It's way back, 3 years. That was, I even don't know how I was. So the feedback has to be recent to be really acted upon.
आपसे एक बात कहनी थी। आपको डीलिंग करना तो आती नहीं है लोगों के साथ। ना घर पे माँ से डील कर पाते थे और ना ही ऑफिस में आप क्लाइंट से डील कर पाते हो अच्छे से। लास्ट में इतना इंपॉर्टेंट क्लाइंट हमारे हाथ से निकल के आपको पता है? Are you here to discuss the business matter? Is it the right time to discuss it? I have no issues.
इसे किसने बुलाया मेरी मैया? Fact is that time is a very important factor in giving feedback. If the feedback has to be effective, it has to be given at the proper timing.
Everybody is blaming me. I have not taken care of my family. I have not taken care of my mother. Deepak, what do you think?
Baba, it's not completely your fault. But there are some things which you could have done better. Probably you could have maintained a better work-life balance.
Fine.